Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add another Gmail account to iPhone. And here's how it is done. Here we are in the Mail app on my iPhone. First, if you press the edit button in the top right corner, you will see the option to create a new mailbox. But you can't actually add another email account here. This is only for managing mailboxes. So go ahead and close that and tap done. Now we need to exit the Mail app and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down to find Mail, or you can use the search bar at the top and type in Mail. Once you're in, tap on Accounts to view all the email accounts currently linked to your Mail app. Next, tap Add Account. You will see a list of supported email providers like iCloud, Gmail, Yahoo, and others. If your provider isn't listed, just tap on Other, then choose Add Mail Account. Here, you can enter the details for your email account. If you're adding a provider like Google, for example, tapping on it will open a Google login page where you can sign in with your credentials. Once you have logged in, your mailbox will be imported into the Mail app. After adding the account, you can easily configure it. Once it is set up, return to the Mail app. If you want to adjust the order of your mailboxes, tap Edit in the top right corner. You can then drag mailboxes to reorder them however you prefer. And that is everything you need to know about how to add another Gmail account to iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.